guys? Godzilla back again. Back with another video. Kind of a piggyback on the last video. I appreciate all the comments and suggestions that you guys gave me in the comments, and I took you up on one of the recommendations. So I actually went with XClutch. After doing some research, they seem to be, good quality, good results, decent pricing. So yeah, we're just going to get into like a little, I guess, unboxing. Let me switch the camera around here and show you that it came pretty well packed. There we go. So it came protected by cardboard on all sides, pretty thick cardboard here, cardboard on the bottom. So that was wrapped around this. This is the kit that I got. It's the organic disc kit, twin plate, 230 millimeter, aka 9-inch. So switch to my other camera and we'll start unboxing this thing. So this is the XClutch 9-inch twin disc with sprung organic discs. It's part number XKNI 23530-2A. So I believe this is supposed to come with everything, like a pressure plate, flywheel, the discs, throwout bearing, and actually a clutch alignment tool, I believe. So let's get into it. So right off the bat, we've got some big old stickers. That's kind of cool. Toss these aside. And we've got some tech bulletins here, aka instructions on how to install. That's pretty cool. Nice. Then let's get off this foam here. Oh, that looks nice. So here we have everything is was packaged down, but this is a freaking steel clutch alignment tool. That's pretty awesome. Nice. Then we've got new flywheel bolts included, along with some, I guess, some thread sealer, Loctite. That's nice. And it's hard. Let me see if I can turn this. Comes with a pilot bearing here. It almost looks like this was returned or something. Coming out the bottom here. Hopefully it works. Throwout bearing, or not throwout bearing, pilot bearing. Jeez, that thing is vacuum wrapped. So there's one part of the throwout bearing. The other one's over here. Pretty smooth. Not bad. Alright. And I guess, of course, the clutch and flywheel here. That's a beefy unit. There's the back of it. But yeah, inside, I don't know if you can see. Let me zoom in. Got some sprung discs in there. I'm going to go through the instruction manual or whatever. I'll take this thing apart and show you the discs. Down. So there you go. Trying to be gentle and not drop it. There we go. Look at that, it's actually like sandwiched. I think this, yep. This first portion is just a disc with teeth engagement. And it's got a little white mark here and a white mark here to let you know which way it goes on. So that's cool. And then you've got your sandwich plate, and then you've got your sprung hub. It's pretty cool. Extreme. And down inside. So this, oh man, set this down. So this flywheel is made out of chrome moly apparently. So it's got some nice strength to it. You know, that's what they make a lot of roll cages out of. So yeah, pretty sweet. Looks like pretty solid unit. Like I said, I gotta read through the instructions. I assume we probably have to clean all these surfaces off before we can, you know, put it all back together. But obviously, you know, you would bolt this against the crank, put your flywheel bolts in. They probably want you to use Loctite on them. And then you place your first disc in there. And then your sandwich plate. And your second disc lined up, matching the white marks. And then your top plate. Boom. And then you bolt on your cover. So yeah. Where's that tool? There it is. So then you put this in like so. It would slide into the back of the crank with your pilot bearing here pressed into the crank. Put your pressure plate on top, bolt it down to torque, then you're good. Don't forget your flywheel cover plate before you put your flywheel on. Done that once or twice. It's always fun having to take everything back apart. So yeah, guys, this is what I went with. XClutch. I think it's rated to like 700 and something, 740 foot-pounds of torque, or I'm not making anywhere near that, but should hold it. Looks like a pretty solid unit. So yeah. Now the tough part is getting the damn transmission out in my garage. Also want to thank some people out there that recommended ways to do it in my garage. I do have quick jacks, so one of you guys, I can't remember the name off the top of my head, I'll put your name on the screen, actually messaged me and showed me how you used your quick jacks. Instead of on the frame rails, you did it across the axles, where the axles would go basically, and then that was enough room to get the transmission out. So yeah, we'll see how it goes and keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See ya.